Hey guys!
Welcome back to Chic Blend. My name is Richenza Marie.
And I'm Quee.
And today we're going to be doing a review on Quita's
Palm Springs mini backpack.
Oh, I want it. So if you guys haven't watched yet, we did do a double unboxing of our Louis Vuitton items. So today we're going to be doing a review on her Palm Springs backpack. So don't forget to comment, rate, like, subscribe, and all of that good stuff at the end of this video. And make sure you guys go back to watch the last video. We'll link it down below. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and get started. So Quita, girl.
Yes, girl.
What made you purchase this backpack?
Okay, so this is an interesting story. Okay, so usually we go on a lot of road trips. You know that. Like our family goes on a lot of road trips. We go on a lot of road trips together. And for the most part, every single time we go into one of those restrooms, you know, those real dirty, nasty restrooms that has like literally nowhere for you to hang your bag. I just really wanted a backpack so I could just sling it over my back and be done with it, girl.
Yeah,
that's why.
I'm not used to you like getting backpacks. Is this your first one?
Yes, this is my first backpack.
Okay, girl. Okay, so with the backpack, so what was your like first impression of it? Like, how did you feel about it when you first bought it?
When I first seen this backpack, my first thought was, oh, it's so cute for a little girl. Like, not for like... I was just like, it's so cute. Yeah, so I was just like, yeah, it's just cute.
It's really nice.
I love it. It's for my baby. Like, oh.
So, do they have like other colors of this bag? Do you know?
They did. They had a infrarouge, and then they have the reverse where maybe we can post a picture of the infrarouge and also a picture of the reverse, but those were the two that they had. So yeah.
So what made you get the darker color?
For me personally, when it comes to purchasing bags, I'm more so very basic. I like classic bags. I like things that, you know, I'll be able to just wear. And because this had the monogram and then it had the black, just none of the like the whiter leather, I decided to go on ahead and do that. I didn't have to worry about the patining. So I was like, okay, I'm down for that.
Yeah, because she's like always telling me about color transfer. So she loves the dark bags, you guys.
Yes, I'm into that.
So, okay, so cons of this bag. Is there any cons?
Girl, yeah, there's some cons. Okay. So let me tell you guys about the cons. Okay, so the first con I feel like is this here. Like literally it is so hard to get into this pocket. I just feel like you could squeeze like a lipstick in here.
Oh yeah.
But it would just be so hard to get into it. It's kind of just like, why would you put yourself through that torture? And then also the way you get into the bag, this is not super smooth to open up. And because it does go like around, you see how it's just like hard for me to open?
Oh, it's like getting stuck.
Yeah, like you really have to concentrate on getting this open. So I don't like that either. As well as the fact of, let me open this. When you put your things on the inside, if you stack your things up, you have to actually lay the bag down on the counter to actually get your things out so you'll make sure things don't fall out. And I really don't like that either.
Okay.
Yes.
And what are the pros of the bag?
So pros for me is, first of all, you can wear it crossbody. You can also wear it on your back. It does come with 2 straps. So this I've just been using 1 strap because I've been wearing it crossbody. And then this is the 2nd strap. I really like that. Then I also like the fact that it holds a ton. So for me, that's very important. And I also like the fact that it doesn't have the Vachetta leather, which is like that whiter color leather. It is black.
Say, what is the Vachetta leather? She's the pro.
Yeah, it doesn't have the Vachetta leather, so I'm down for that too.
Okay, like when it's on your back, is it heavy? Like the backpack, is it heavy?
Actually, no. Like it's
everything in there?
No, very, very, very light actually, and I have a ton in there. So it's not heavy at all. Like I said, it does fit a ton, so I really, really like that.
Okay. It's so freaking nice. Like, I love it. Okay, so I was definitely thinking about purchasing this bag, you guys, and I actually was waiting for her to do this review to decide if I wanted to get it or not. So do you feel like it's worth it, like me purchasing this bag?
Okay, I'm just going to be 100% honest, okay? So honestly, I love this bag. However, the price now, like they just recently had a price increase. It now retails for $19.40 plus tax. So this is almost $2,000.
Right.
Like
it wasn't that much a month ago. What, it just went up?
Like maybe I don't know if it just went up to the $9.40 or it went up to the $9.40 like maybe a month ago, something like that. Either way, I feel like it's very, very, very expensive. I do like the bag, but if I did not get this kind of like as a gift, if I didn't have like birthday money to put towards this, I honestly do not think I would have purchased this bag. I think I would have went with the Montsari backpack. Just because it's a little bit bigger, and I feel like that probably would have been more worth the money, because I feel like you could have fit your iPad in it. You could just fit more in that bag. So honestly, if I were going to spend $2,000 for a canvas bag, essentially, I would probably have went for the Montsari, and it's cheaper than this bag.
Oh my gosh, so you think I should get the Montsari? Would you get both?
Actually, the Montsari backpack is on my wish list. So yes,
okay.
I would get that one.
Okay.
I don't know. This or the Montsari. You know what made me get this bag too? I feel like it was so much hype around this bag. When it first came out, I looked at the bag one time in the store and I passed on it. Then I watched a ton of videos, seeing what it could hold, and I was just like, you know what? Let me go check it out. So when we went to the store together, I checked it out and I was just like, okay, let me go on ahead and get that.
It's such a beautiful bag though. Like,
it is.
And what made me like want to get it is they marketed the crap out of this bag. I saw like so many people with this bag, just how they were rocking it. It just looks so good. So now, since you did the review, I think I'm gonna get the other one.
The Montsari?
Yeah. I think I'll get that one instead. We can share it.
I honestly think you would probably like this one better though, because it's so small. You don't really like bigger bags.
Yeah, I don't. I like smaller bags, you guys.
Yeah, so I don't know. Like, if you ask me if you should get the bag, don't ask me if you should get the bag, because I'm gonna tell you. I don't know, because again, like I said, if it wasn't for like it being a birthday gift, kinda, because essentially I spent like I got gift cards for my birthday, and I had Saks Fifth Avenue cash back. Yeah, so I was just like, okay, let me just go on ahead and get it.
Okay, so overall, do you feel like you like the bag though?
Yes, overall, I really, really do like the bag. I love everything that it can fit, and I'll actually show you guys what I have in it. I'm not going to do a, how do you say, like a what can fit in it, because a ton can fit in here, but I will show you what I have in here, because this is the bag that I've been wearing for the last couple of days.
Okay. All right. I can't wait to see that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you guys. So we are going to go and take a look at what she has inside her bag. Yes. So Lego.
So I'm just going to show you guys the inside of the bag. So I'm just going to pop it open like so. And then this is the inside of the bag. And right on top, I have my phone. So we'll just set that there. Then I have my Chanel perfume. My Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. I'll just set that there. My MAC Studio Fix NC45, and it's just inside of a Chanel holder. Then I just have my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. And I also have in here my YSL full wallet. Typically, I would not have my full wallet in here, but the reason I do have my full wallet is just because I'm coming out of a bigger purse. So I didn't really feel like, you know, switching things around, so I just threw it in here. Okay guys, that was the review of the Palm Springs mini backpack, or should I say my first impressions. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hey.